Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've got a guest today.
Oh, it's me. Hello, I'm Alex from Auto Alex Cars. And what are we doing today, Ant?
Well, I've been forced to put this on the rollers.
Yeah.
Forced by 6 people.
Yeah.
And I'm a little nervous.
You are a little bit nervous because this is essentially your pension, isn't it? And if your pension goes up in smoke, then you have no pension.
Yeah.
But it'll be really good for YouTube.
Oh, it would be really good for you guys.
Exactly. So Ant's doing it for you.
Yeah.
You're welcome. It only took a little bit of arm twisting to do this.
A little bit.
And apparently everyone here has said that you have always said no to putting it on the dyno. And then I mentioned it and then here we are. So everyone is welcome.
Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome. So what are you waiting for?
Let's
Yeah, you're
go.
fucking welcome. Let's go. More.
Oh, it's the wrong side.
That's a bad start. He's that nervous, he's forgotten what size Ferrari's door.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! You should be getting all of this, oh my god.
It's all right, and it should be okay.
And it's just a Ferrari. Oh yeah, don't start now. Classic, he's disconnected something.
Oh, he's done something, hasn't he?
It's like
Are you going to phone?
coupes,
Are you going to phone up QuickFit quickly and get them to diagnose it?
They're like coupes.
Way!
No time lucky.
Fucking hell. What am I doing?
Yeah, what does an MR2 make stuff? About 170. So Alex, you went out in the Challenge Ferrari, what did you think? Experience?
I mean, as soon as you get in it, you feel like you're in a Ferrari. You're nice and low, you've got lots of carbon fibre, and when you get out on the road, you can feel that V8 just wants to go. It feels really highly strung. And yeah, as soon as you pin it, you are pushed back into the seat. It's a very visceral experience, and you've got hard seats and quite firm suspension, but it isn't crashy. It's nice and kind of supple. It feels like an oldish Ferrari really should, and it looks like one as well. Although I think I do prefer the previous colour, the grey colour. The red, I think, for me, doesn't really do it. But, you know, Ant is Italian, so fair play. But it's a stunning car, and yeah, appreciating classic. And a car that I definitely wouldn't put on the dyno. So, I don't know why he's doing it. He's an idiot.
What do we think it's going to make? So 425 from the factory.
410.
410.
Really?
Yeah, I reckon it's lost. I don't know. Never driven another one.
I'm going to say 423.
423. That's
Yeah.
solid numbers.
Yeah.
I like it.
Mm.
I mean, it's done what, 38,000 miles,
Yeah.
and it's probably been meticulously looked after.
Yeah.
So I don't think
Should have it all
will-
then.
Yeah,
Yeah.
423.
If it does it, it doesn't explode.
Yeah, exactly. Well, let's hope that it makes more than my Fiat Coupe, because that was really strong, wasn't it? Yeah,
That was really good.
yeah.
Yeah, I was
Where can
shocked.
they find that video?
Hey?
Where can they find
They can find that video on Auto Alex Cars. That will be out now. That will already be out. Yeah.
Yeah.
It won't be as interesting as this video though. So don't bother subscribing to Auto Alex Cars. Just subscribe to this channel.
There you go.
Right?
Heard it here first.
Right?
I'm going to go stand over there behind the bin when this is all happening.
Because there's going to be a whole rebuild series on this car very soon, coming to this
God,
channel.
Look, I've scratched something on it.
Oh no, that's the least of your worries, Ant.
Pressing it down, turning it off because it's going to get hot. So I just wanted to make sure it wasn't going to move.
We're doing one run here, and I'm going to go over there. I'm going to go over there. Yeah.
We can hold hands. Is this it? Is this it? No, it's not it. It's not it. It's not it. It's not it. is it! Power World Run! Power World Run! Power World Run! This is it! One more! One more! One more! Alright, here we go. Oh! No rev counter.
Whoa! 623!
Whoa!
Claim it, claim it. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 390.
What are we looking at, JP?
390.
I'll take it.
It's not great though, is it? It's not great. Not great.
My nerves have calmed down now.
You're right now. So do another run then?
No. Deal was won. Explain what happened.
Quick, what's that? Oil.
What?
So his nerves were down.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
His nerves have just gone like that
I
graph.
know, yeah.
You got me.
That's what you call method acting. Yeah, you can't learn that.
Blood pressure monitor right now.
Have you looked? That's Ant's actual blood pressure right now.
Please. Bloody hell, man. Right, explain what happened.
So unfortunately, Ant's rev counter was slightly out. So I was hoping that I got it just close enough because it has to marry with the dyno. You can do it by reading the OBD, and the dyno software will read the rev counter through the ECU. But unfortunately, being a Ferrari don't want you
Fiat.
reading the ECU.
Fiat.
Fiat?
It's a Fiat.
Well, just being a Ferrari that it is, wouldn't let me read anything in the OBD. So I tried my best to try and get the revs correct. Unfortunately, it didn't really marry up, so the graph doesn't look like anything useful. It does come up with, where I've trimmed it back a bit, say 390 horsepower, so it's going to be between 390 and 400, I think.
Deal.
But perhaps if we can get the speedo fixed, rev counter fixed, maybe if we beg Ant, we might do another run and show the actual figures.
Yeah, we'll do that. We will be
We'll
doing
get Alex
that.
back because Alex can persuade him again.
Yeah.
So
I am the persuader. Yeah. Are you happy with 390 or 390 to 400?
Well, I don't think it's true. I
no,
don't.
we need to. Yeah, the rev count. If I can get the revs married up precisely with the dyno, we would have got a nice accurate reading.
Yeah.
But it didn't blow up, and it sounded nice.
It did sound very good.
It sounded very nice.
It blew all the cobwebs off the wall.
And when is the last time you saw a Challenge Stradale in the UK on a dyno? I don't think I've ever seen it, so...
I have to admit, I was nervous when that went into sixth gear, and I was like, right, no turning back.
Yeah.
All I heard was getting higher.
Just kept on going.
Well, I was just watching that. I was watching that red line, and I was like, come on. I was like, no, does it? There we go.
Yeah. No, but fair play to you for actually doing it, because I know you were legit
Yes,
scared.
I was.
Yeah, you were actually hiding outside the
Yeah,
building.
I did.
So
I went outside.
fair
It must
play.
have been loud in here.
It was very loud, yeah. It was very loud! Yeah, no, great car, and thank you very much for taking me for a quick blast in it before. And then for making all of our wishes come true. With a dyno test. None of us are stupid enough to do that to our own car, but we're glad that we have you here. Because you are stupid.
Brave.
Oh, yeah. So, you
There we
happy?
go.
You happy with Fabrizio?
Yeah, very happy with
He
that.
got good figures.
He did get very good figures.
I put him to bed. He's asleep now.
Okay, nice.
Back in the grass.
Back in
We
the
found
grass,
it.
yeah, exactly. From whence he came.
So yeah, that's it. I'm glad it's done and over.
Yeah.
I might keep it up there for the week so I could just admire it. It looks like a mantelpiece.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And then that way the oil will trickle downwards as well. There's no oil.
It's not one drop.
And you guys might want to subscribe to this channel because there will undoubtedly be something that has gone wrong.
Always. Yeah.
Indeed. So, yeah. We'll do another dyno again soon, won't we? Yeah. Next time we're here with the Fiat, we'll put this back on, get everything married up, and we'll give it a proper blast.
What about the BMW?
No. I'm out. Goodbye.